Hi everyone. In this video we are going to do the exercise 1E. In this exercise we mainly focus on find the pair of common tangents for the given two circles. Okay, you have to ready to learn this. This is very important for the IPE 7 marks question maybe comes from this one. Find the direct common tangents of the circles x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 is equal to 0. This is the given problem. Then how you can find when the direct common tangents are exist? If C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, then you have the direct common tangents. Okay, now given circle 1 is x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0. The center says C1 is equal to minus G minus F, that is minus 11 comma 2, and radius say R1, that is equal to under root of G square, that is 11 ja 121 plus F square 2 ja 4 minus C, minus of minus 100 is plus 100. This gives you root 225 is equal to 15, right? And the second circle, given circle 2, that is x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 is equal to 0, right? Then C2 is equal to the center of this one called C2 is equal to minus G minus F, that is 11 comma minus 2, and the radius R2 is equal to square root of G square is 11 ja 121 plus F square is 2 ja 4 minus C is 100. This gives you 25, that is equal to 5. Okay. Now C1, C2 is equal to the distance between the two centers, that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Say this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, this one is y2. So x2 minus x1 means 11 plus 11 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is minus 2 whole square. This gives us 11 plus 11 is 22 ja 484 plus 2 plus minus 2 becomes minus 4 whole square is plus 16. That gives you root 500. That means how much it is? 100 into 5, 10 root 5. Okay. Now R1 plus R2 is equal to 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. You know that C1, C2 here is greater than R1 plus R2. Why? Because this 10 this is the circle 1 and this is the circle 2. Having the center minus 11 comma 2, 11 comma minus 2, and the radius 15 and 5, the distance between this C1, C2 is 10 root 5. Okay. Now, here I want to find the direct common tangents. You know that if the two circles are not intersect one another and they have in the some distance, then you can draw four common tangents. In that, two are the direct common tangents. These are the direct common tangents, and another two are, if you draw like this, these are the transversal common tangents. But I want here only the direct common tangents, so I draw only direct common tangents. Okay. Now these two lines are intersect at the on what? The extended of C1, C2. Right. Say some P or E. E is called the similitude, external center of similitude. The intersect point of the what? The common tangents, direct common tangents. So this E divides C1, C2 externally in the ratio of what? That is R1 is to R2. Okay, you know that. Therefore, R1 is to R2 is equal to 15 is to 5. That gives us 5 3 ja, 5 1 ja is equal to 3 is to 1. So, my E is equal to, it is externally divides C1, C2. That's why I am using the formula R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2 and R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. Okay, I have to substitute the values in this formula. So what is R1? That is 3 into x2. 3 into 11, 33. Next R2 x1. That is 1 into minus 11. Minus 11, this minus is plus 11. By R1 minus R2. That is 3 minus 1. Right? Next R1 into y2, 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Minus of R2 into y1, 1 2 ja 2, minus 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 44 by 2 is equal to 22. Minus 8 by 2 is equal to minus 4. 22 comma minus 4 is my external intersect point, the point of similitude. Okay. Now, you remind the equation of pair of tangents. Equation of pair of tangents to the circle from x1 comma y1 is what it is? S into S1 is equal to T square. This you can know. Right. So now I am going to tell about this. We have to find this one only. Right. What is my S? Take any one of the circle equation. X square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is my S into S1 is x square is 22 square. 22 square is how much? 484. And then y square is 4 4 ja 16. Right. Next. Plus 22. X means 22 into 22 minus 4 into y is minus 4 minus 100 is equal to, what is my t tangent equation? You know that x1 plus like that. So x into x1 means x into 22, that is 22x, plus y into y1 means it is minus 4y, plus g of 11 into x plus x1 is 22 minus 2 of f into y plus y1 is minus 4 minus 100 c is, so 100 whole square. This you can solve. After simplification you get the equation of pair of tangents. Let us see. X square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 into, this one is 484 plus 16 is 500, and this also 22 into 22 is 484. This one is 4 4 is 16. So this also becomes 500. 500 plus 500 is 1000 minus 100 is how much? 900 is equal to this one 22x plus this 11x gives you 33x, and this is minus 4y, and here you have the minus 2y. Total how much? Minus 6y, and the number is 11 into 22, that is 11 2 ja 22, 22 242, right? Minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. This one is minus 100 whole square is equal to, this one how much? 242 plus 8 is 250. 250 minus 100 is 150. So from this you get the 3 as common. So 3 square into 11x minus 2y, 150 becomes 50 whole square. Okay, 3 square is how much? 9. This is 9 into 100. Okay, now simplify. 100 into x square, 100x square plus 100y square plus 100 into 22, 2200x minus 400y minus 100 ja 10,000 is equal to, this one is 11x square. 11 11 ja 121 x square. You know that a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Apply that formula. First a square is 121x square plus b square means 2 2 ja 4y square plus c square is 5 5 ja 25 zeros to 2500. 11 2 ja 22, 22 2 ja 44 xy. After that you can do this. 250 ja 100, 100 2 ja 200y. Next these two, 11 5 ja 55, 550 into 2, 1100x you get. Suppose I take all these terms to this side. 121x square minus 100x square gives you 21x square plus 4y square, this becomes this side, minus 100y square, that gives you minus 96y square. Then after I write minus 44xy, only one term this side, and then 2200x comes to this side, minus 2200x. So 1100 minus 2200 is minus 1100x, and then y terms, minus 400 came to this side, plus 400, minus 200 plus 400 is plus 200y, and then the constant terms is, this is 2500, this becomes plus 10,000, it gives you plus 12,500 is equal to 0. Okay, this much is enough. If you want to write and factorize this, you get 3x plus 4y minus 50 into 7x minus 24y minus 250 is equal to 0. This gives you the 3x plus 4y minus 50 is equal to 0 and 7x minus 24y minus 250 is equal to 0. These are the direct common tangents to the given circles. One another problem, see this. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0 touch each other. Find the point of contact also. The given two circles, this is first circle and this one is the second circle. For the first circle, the center is minus g minus f, that is 3 comma 1. Okay, half of that. And C2 also, for the second circle, this is minus 1, this one is 4, minus 1 comma 4. And the radius of the first circle is 3 and radius of the second circle is 2, that you have already known how to find. And the distance between the two centers C1, C2 is equal to 5, you get. And also you see that R1 plus R2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, the two circles are touch each other like this. One is 3 centimeters radius, the other one is 2 centimeters radius. This is C1, this is C2. What is C1 here? C1 is 3 comma 1 and C2 is minus 1 comma 4. And we have to find the point of contact. Let us say this is some I. Right. I divides C1, C2 in the ratio of R1 is to R2, 3 is to 2. That you know. Right. Here I is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2y, because it is internally divides. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2 is equal to 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, plus R2 into x1, 2 3 ja 6 by R1 plus R2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And then R1 y2, 3 4 ja 12 and R2 y1, 2 1 ja 2 by 3 plus 2 is 5. This is nothing but 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5. This is the point of contact. Suppose you want to find the equation of line passing through the point of contact, that is common tangent of both the circles. The equation of this one is how you can find. First find the slope of this C1, C2 line, that is perpendicular to this line. So this slope you can get, and also you know the I point slope form you can use and find the equation. And there is another method also. If this is the S1 and this one is the S2, the difference between S1 and S2, S1 minus S2 is gives us the common tangent to the circles which are touched externally.